Greetings, December 24th, 2014. I had hoped to get a video of the original drawing from the Israeli college housemate and friend and director of the Eternal Jew film, a short version of which is currently up on YouTube, but he hasn't replied yet, so I'm videoing this from a 5x7 black and white photo I had made. So I did the drawing in his backyard in Hod Ha'sharon, an old Jewish city about a half hour north of Tel Aviv. And facing from the back porch, there's an apartment building there, various, I don't know, plants, grasses, this wooden structure for I don't know what. Then there was this giant bird showed up, dwarfing the whole scene. So, and the original drawing, I'm guessing, is 22 inches high by 30 inches wide. And it's probably on a warmer paper than how this is showing up here in this photo. Anyway, there you have it. Backyard view. Hod Ha'sharon, Israel, just like I pictured it.